Hello and welcome, I'm Richard from Scarbrook Plumbing and Heating. Thanks again for joining me, YouTube fans. I'm here today to talk about private installations. At Scarbrook Plumbing and Heating we're proud to be associated with the likes of Baxi, Viessmann, Ideal, Valen and Worcester Bosch. Our warranties range from a minimum 5-year parts and labour warranty all the way up to a massive 10 years parts and labour warranty provided for by the manufacturer. If you're interested in a free, non-obligational quote, give our office a call on 01302 882297. Alternatively, you can visit our website, which is www.scarbrook.co.uk. There's a very simple application form to fill in. Come straight through to our office via your email and we'll give you a call back as soon as. Thanks again for joining me, best wishes and bye for now.